What the heck is going on, y'all? It's your boy, Everyday Review Guy. And today, right here, I'm going to be teaching you how to pop some wheelies and do some skids. We got the CRF 100F Honda Dirt Bike Ski. And first off, you need your proper riding equipment to do maximum pop of wheelies. First, y'all need your goggles for maximum speed wind protection. And don't forget your Mad Max skull helmet in case you fall off and crack your melon piece. First off, you're going to want to start the bike skidoolicky. So that's off. You want to pop that to the right so it's angled, so it's on. Oh, also, you need your steel-toed flip-flops so if you fall off, your toesies don't get skeeted. Alrighty, let's start this puppy up. Gotta do that, make sure it's neutral. We cooking now. When your second gear is easier to make distance, so if you want to put that sucker in second, you're going to want to hold the clutch, rev it up a little, dump the clutch, and hope to God you don't fall backwards.